Hey guys, welcome back to the next video. In this video, we're going to talk about AWS Security Hub. So let's firstly talk about what's the use of AWS Security Hub. Security Hub provides a comprehensive view on security alerts, compliance check across AWS accounts. It aggregates, organize, and prioritize security findings from various AWS services and third-party tools. Now, as you can see over here, an organization. So I know that we have not spoken about organization. Okay. So organization is a service in AWS. Let me show you that just quickly. So when you type organization, you can see AWS organization over here. And when you open the organization over here, so by default, you will not be having a part of any organization because you would have created an individual account. But you can actually create organization. You will have an option over there saying that create organization. It's completely free. You can have an organization created just like how I have created. Just create an organization. There's not many questions asked over there. So you just have to say yes and then create the organization. Once you've created the organization, you should be, I'm sorry about that background noise. You should be able to see your account name over here, and you will be able to see the user information, the root information. Now, what is an organization? Let's talk about it quickly. An organization is nothing but when you are in a enterprise services or enterprise company, or even a business-oriented company, okay, a big company, you may have multiple organizations within your company. Okay. Each organization, like finance, will have their own AWS account. Healthcare will have their own AWS account. Media, if there's a section like that, you're going to have a separate AWS account. Okay. Now, they're going to host dev, production, and testing environment for their media related application. And you're going to have media.examplebank.com, something like that. You can have finance dot example.bank. Okay. Or else you can have healthcare.example.bank. So likewise, you can have your own website, and each of this application will be coming under one single organization, which is your example.bank. That's the biggest or the high level of your organization chart. And that's going to be like that. So when you have this kind of a feature, called organization, you need a hub of security in which it collects data from different organizations, which means that including all services part of your organization. So for example, I am having this EC2 instance, my EC2 instance, I have the services like WAF and other stuff, right? So I have all these services configured in my current setting over here, which is my Beyond Cloud AI. And this becomes one account. Okay, now you can see that you can add another account with this organization by enrolling for the same organization. You can actually invite people to this organization and then have another account for that particular branch of your company. Okay, it could be a branch, it could be a outlet, it could be anything. So you can add them as part of the organization. So you will have two AWS account, but what you will be able to see the billing for the organization. So the complete organization will get only one billing that includes all the accounts within that particular organization. Now, what AWS Security Hub does is like it collects all the security related compliance issues. It collects all the view on the security alerts, and it gives you a comprehensive view on one dashboard. Okay, which gives you comprehensive view on all the security issues across. So in this way, you can actually investigate the problem from one single view. So for example, like you're managing a multi-account AWS environment and you need a centralized dashboard for viewing security alerts and compliance data. The AWS Security Hub aggregates alert from services like Amazon, Guard Dog, which we will talk later, Inspector, Firewall Manager, which we will talk later. So it gathers all this information and it will actually show it in one place. So what would I want you to remember on the examination is that when you hear the word security hub, so hear the word security and hub together. Hub is a place where it has the integral view of a lot of things. That's what we call it as a hub. So when you hear this word, so it needs to remind you of this architecture, which says that you're going to collect information, the security related information, the compliance related information, the alerts of security, reports of security. You're going to get all those things in one place across your organization. So that is something which you should really think about when you hear this name. Now let's talk about the features now. The centralized dashboard, which actually views the alerts of multiple accounts and regions in one place. Compliance check, it automatically access the compliance of the industrial standards of CIS and PCI DSS. It also integrates with other AWS services like Guard Duty, Inspector, Mace, and other third-party tools. So we have only seen Mace, Inspector so far. So the videos will be aligned accordingly, so don't worry about it. So we will be working on that. So the next one is the key benefits over here. The key benefits are it is a unified view. As I told you, it has the consolidation of security alerts across services and across organization. And it also has the reporting feature where it's going to be looking at compliance, and also it ensures that it is very well compliance is within the AWS environment industry standards. So these are something which it's going to look for in the security hub. Let's just have a view on the security hub over here. So now let's close the organization. Let's go for security hub, and then you will get the security hub here as a service, and then just click on that and you can actually go to this. You have to enable this. This is a 30 days free trial for security hub. So just go to security hub and then your activation begins. So security hub over here kind of takes care of everything else, like automated security checks and consolidated report from guard duty, inspector, maze, and additional services and integrated partner solutions. So it's going to take it from all the organization. All the accounts from the organization. It's going to show you in this. So for this, you need to actually go to Security Hub, and then here you have the AWS configuration, so which we'll talk later. And then we have to enable the security standards over here, where you are expecting that your application should be like AWS Foundational Security Best Practices and CIS AWS Foundation benchmarks. So you can see that we have chosen the basic stuff by default. So you can also add in more items over here to see if your items are like, if your organization has the security standards of creating all the services and stuff, and then just enable the security hub over here, which it's actually going to show you those items over here. So here the pricings are like after 30 days of free trial, so you're going to be charged for first 1 lakh or 100,000 security checks. You're going to charge $0.0010 per check. So this is pretty cheap when you compare it. So you can see that it's going to be like that. So that's the billing of it, and pretty much I wanted to show you this around and show you the interaction in this particular action item. We're going to see other security services as well, so later point of time. Thank you again for your patience and time. I'll see you on the next video.